Hello everybody, this is Faraz and I'm here to tell you about a new update that is being released. This update includes new features that enable you to edit your subscriber lists in bulk and without having to individually manage each contact, or tasks such as adding or removing contacts from lists or permanently deleting them from your site. So you're able to select up to 20 subscribers per page in bulk. And if you scroll down, you can access a larger part of your list by clicking on Load More Subscribers. So by default, you've got 20 subscribers on display. If you click on Load More Subscribers, you'll have 20 more. And if you hit the Check All button on the top, now you will have selected 40 subscribers. After you've selected your subscribers, of course, you can apply the action of either adding them to a specific list or removing them from lists or permanently deleting them. You can also use the site filters to your advantage to edit and modify specific lists to move subscribers around, or you can use this to permanently remove them from the account. The bulk subscriber management update gives you more control over the data collected in your account and ultimately manage it the way you want. If you have any questions, feel free to click on the help icon on the bottom right to get in touch with our support team.